The best way to lighten dark spots on your skin is to attack the skin pigmentation process from every angle. So there are many ways to do that. The first one, of course, I'm going to mention sunscreen because sun is what causes the pigment melanin to be produced. So you want to make sure that you're avoiding sun and using sunscreen. But once you have that under control, the next thing we want to do is use a tyrosinase inhibitor. A tyrosinase inhibitor is something that blocks the production of melanin. Melanin, the skin pigment, needs tyrosinase in order to be made. So when you block tyrosinase, you can't make melanin. And when the cells, the melanocytes, make melanin, it packages up them in these little packages called melanosomes. I like to think of them as little footballs. And then the melanocytes hand off that little football to your skin cells called keratinocytes. So PAR2 blockers, or protease activated receptor 2 blockers, block that little doorway that the football moves from the melanocyte to the skin cell. So you want a tyrosinase inhibitor to prevent the formation of melanin. Then you want a PAR2 blocker to prevent that melanin from being handed off into the skin cells. Then you need to get rid of those old skin cells that already have pigment. So you want an exfoliator. That could be a hydroxy acid, for example, or a facial scrub. And that gets away all those old darker skin cells so that the lighter skin cells will be able to come to the surface. And then the last thing is you have to turn off inflammation, because if you have inflammation, you're going to be turning on the production of melanin. And in fact, a lot of the things that cause skin pigment problems are people using the wrong skincare products that are causing inflammation. Or over exfoliating. So you don't want to over exfoliate, and you don't want to use the wrong skincare products because that will worsen your pigment. If you attack the formation of melanin from all these different ways, you'll have the best success of evening your skin tone.